When replacing an LCD touchpad, use a flathead screwdriver to first pry the screen forward at the indent in the top center of the bevel. Then continue to pry around the edges until it pops free and remove it by hand. Disconnect the harness from the back of the screen. Next, to replace the bevel, we will remove the 4 screws securing it in place. If you have to replace the screws with new ones, remember to use flathead screws to prevent them from sticking up too high and preventing the touchpad from seating properly. Remove the mount and replace it with a new one in the cutout. Carefully run your screws into the 4 corners to secure the mount. Avoid over-tightening your screws, as this could crack the mount and/or strip out the screw holes. Rerun your harness through the opening at the bottom and connect it to your touchpad. Finally, reinstall the touchpad by popping it into place and then test for proper operation.